Ladies and gentlemen, you're not gonna believe it, but I'm in the police station. I used the wall breach glitch. That's insane. And now I'm in the police station. Let's look what they have on their records. Let me see. And yes, that's me. Oh, lock your vehicles. Oh no. Whoa. Huh? Huh? Ah. I think. Oh man. This is fucking insane. Here we go. Huh? Whoa. Oh, gnarly. Oh, man. Whoa. Oh, man. What the heck? Whoa! Oh my god, that was gnarly! That was awesome! Ah! Oh man! Oh man! Look at them! They're just wondering like, what the fuck just happened? Oh man! That was awesome. I was not expecting that. I hope you guys loved that video, man. Oh man, that was just awesome. Oh man.